For the last 2 weeks, I've had a lot of auditions and callbacks and Zoom sessions, and I've dropped the ball in every other area of my life to prepare for them. And yet, that is the life of an actor. But it reminds me of this really incredible Brené Brown quote. Here it is. If you are not in the arena getting your ass kicked on occasion, I am not interested in or open to your feedback. There are a million cheap seats in the world today, filled with people who will never be brave with their own lives, but will spend every ounce of energy they have hurling advice and judgment at those of us trying to dare greatness. Their only contributions are criticism, cynicism, and fear-mongering. If you're criticizing from a place where you're not also putting yourself on the line, I'm not interested in your feedback. If you're one of those people that I've dropped the ball on, I apologize. Thanks so much for your understanding, and I'm back. Let's do this.